Hi, today I want to explain about steam power plant, who important and their role in various industry. Steam is basically recycled from steam to water and then back to steam again. Steam power plant used for production of paper and other wood products. In industry process, steam power plant are used for the preparation and serving of food. For mechanical work, steam power plant used for the cooling and heating of large building. And lastly, for energy generation, steam power plant are a significant source of electricity generation with. They produce electricity efficiently and reliable, making them a crucial component of the energy mix in many countries. They can use various fuels such as coal, natural gas and nuclear energy to heat water and produce steam, which drive turbine to generate electricity. In summary, steam power plant are essential for electricity generation, industrial process, mechanical work, and various other applications. While they have faced environmental challenge, ongoing innovation and effort to adopt cleaner technology are helping mitigate their impact. As industry and society transition toward cleaner and more sustainable energy source, steam power plant remain a key component of the global energy landscape.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Muhammad Azri Azram bin Ruslan, and my matrix number is 01dpu5B. I will present about key component of steam power plant. A steam power plant is a type of thermal power station that converts the energy stored in fossil fuels or the other heat sources into electricity. Here's the outline of the layout and main component of steam power plant, emphasizing their function in electricity generation. The first one is boiler. The function boiler is where the fuel is burned to produce high temperature and high pressure steam. The component to boiler is combustion chamber, water walls, superheater, economizer, and steam drum. Second is steam turbine. Function steam from the boiler is directed into the turbine, where it expands and drives the turbine blades, converting the thermal energy into mechanical energy. Component of turbine is turbine blades, rotor, and various stages for efficient energy conversion. The third is generator. Function is the mechanical energy from the steam turbine is transferred to the generator, where it is converted into electricity energy. Component is rotor, stator, which create the magnetic field to induce electrical current. The fourth is condenser. Function: the condenser is responsible for cooling and condensing the spent steam from the turbine back into liquid water. The component: condenser tube, water pumps, and cooling water circulation. The fifth is cooling system. Function: the cooling system, typically using water from a nearby source, helps maintain low temperature in the condenser and prevent overheating. The component is cooling tower, water pump, and cooling water circulation. The sixth is feed water pump. Function: the feed water pump is responsible for pumping water from the condenser back into the boiler to be converted into steam, component, pumps, and associated piping. The 7 is fuel supply system. Function provides the necessary fuel to the boiler for combustion. Components, fuel storage, handling equipment, and fuel delivery mechanisms. 8 is air quality control system. Function, ensure emission from the plant meet environment regulation by controlling pollution. Components, electrostatic precipitator, scrubber, and other emission control equipment. The last one is electrical system. Function, this system control the distribute electricity generated by the generator to the grid or the local use. Component, switch gear, transformer, and distribution. In summary, the steam power plants works by burning fuel in the boiler to produce high pressure steam, which drive a turbine connected to a generator. The generated electricity is then distributed to consumer. The condenser, cooling system, and feed water pump play critical roles in maintaining the efficiency of the plant, while fuel supply and ash handling and air quality control system are essential for proper operation and compliance with environmental regulation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Rashidi bin Zainul Fajri. My matric number 01 dpu21F1073. Okay, thanks for Azir for explanation safety component of a steam power plant. Let me continue for safety inspection in boiler tubes and drum. Okay, firstly, preventing catastrophic failure. Okay, boiler tube and drum are vulnerable to wear, corrosion, and crack because of the intense heat and pressure they are subject to. Regular inspection in the early identification of this problem, avoiding catastrophic breakdowns that can result in fire or explosion. Okay, secondly, ensuring compliance. In order to make sure that boiler runs safely, regulation and standard frequently require safety inspection for the sake of maintaining a safe workplace and avoiding legal repercussions. Compliance with the requirement is crucial. Okay, third, worker protection. Serious injuries or fatalities may arise from boiler accident. Regular inspection aid in spotting potential risks, enabling prompt maintenance or repairs to ensure the security of employees and the surrounding area. Optimizing efficiency. Yang keempat, a boiler efficiency can be decreased over time by deposit, scaling, or correction, which raises energy price and operational expenses. Inspection aid in locating and resolving this problem, improving the efficiency of the boiler. 5. Equipment life extension. Regular inspection and maintenance can extend the lifespan of boiler tubes and drums, saving business money and on the cost of needing to replace them too soon. For the common issues, scaling. Mineral build up on the inner surface might reduce heat transmission effectiveness and perhaps result in overheating. Regular scaling removal is necessary. Second, weld integrity. It is important to check weld joining tubes and drums for flaws, faults, or wear and tear. Okay, yang ketiga, device for pressure relief. Pressure relief valve must be operational in order to prevent overpressurization situation. 4. Water treatment to avoid information of scale, corrosion, and boiler tube failure. Proper water treatment is crucial. 5 operating parameters. For a system to operate safely and effectively, it is critical to monitor and maintain the proper operating parameters such as temperature, pressure and water level. The last one, emergency shutdown procedure. Inspector need to make sure that staff members are aware of and can use emergency shutdown system. For the next slide, we will go differentiation of fire tube and water tube boiler. Fire tube and water tube boiler are two common types of boiler used in various industrial applications. Here's a brief explanation of their difference and their respective advantage and disadvantage. Okay, first, fire tube. For fire tube design, in a fire tube boiler, hot gas pass through a series of tubes that are immersed in water. The combustion chamber is located within the tubes. Okay, for advantage fire tube, simple design and easy to install. Second, suitable for small to medium steam requirement. Thirdly, quick steam production startup. The last one can handle fluctuation in load well. Okay, for disadvantage fire tube, less efficient for high pressure and high capacity application. Prone to water quality issues as impurities can cause tube corrosion. The last one, limited steam production capacity compared to water tube boiler. Let's go to water tube boiler. For a design, water tube boiler have water-filled tubes that carry hot gas from the combustion chamber. The combustion chamber is external to the tubes. Okay. Advantage water tube boiler. High efficiency, making them suitable for high pressure and high capacity application. Second, better respond to fluctuating steam demand. Third, less susceptible to water quality issues due to larger water volume. The last one, greater safety as the high pressure parts are isolated from the operator. Okay, for disadvantage water tube boiler, more complex design and installation. Second, slower to start producing steam. Can be sensitive to water chemistry, requiring water treatment. The last one, typically larger and more expensive than fire tube boiler. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Shafi'i bin Ishaq. My matrix number is 01 dpu21F1070. So, my part in this presentation is heat saving enhancement. Heat saving enhancement technology are crucial in steam power plant to improve energy efficiency and reduce heat loss. Here are key heat saving enhancement and their contribution to efficiency. First, economizer. Second, condenser. 3, superheater. 4, turbine bypass system. 5, cogeneration system. 6, heat recovery steam generator. 7, insulation. 8, variable frequency drive. Incorporating this heat-saving enhancement and technology in steam power plant is essential to increase energy efficiency, reduce operation costs, and minimize environmental impact by utilizing heat that would otherwise be waste. Continue to new part. Regulation and safety procedure. Steam power plants are subject to various regulation and safety procedures to ensure the safe and environmentally responsible operation of these facilities. Here, an overview of essential regulation and safety procedure in steam power plant. 1. Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA). 2. Environmental Protection Agency. 3. National Fire Protection Association. 4. Boiler and Pressure Vessel Code. 5. Electrical Safety Standard. 6. Process Safety Management. 7. steam boiler regulation, 8. Combustion and emission regulation. Safety procedure and practice. First, personnel training. 2. Emergency response plan. 3. Lockout, tagout. 4. Permit to work system. 5. Hazard analysis. 6. Personal protective equipment. 7. Safe operation procedure. 8. Inspection and maintenance. 9. Reporting and investigation. Compliance with this regulation and adherence to safety procedure are fundamental in steam power plant to protect both personnel and the environment, as well as to ensure the reliable and efficient operation of these facilities. Thank you.